I'm Tia, and I upload 4 times a week: Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We're multicultural. We are inclusive. If that's what you're looking for, you have found it, and you should subscribe. Come one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. So today, I think this is part 2 of the meeting my multicultural models. So these are the mannequins that I have purchased, some of which I purchased with my Buy Me a Coffee program, which is where you can do a one-time donation. There's a link and a video about Buy Me a Coffee, but I use that money to contribute to the channel. Really, in 2021, we are wanting to really push this whole multicultural part of our channel. I am a biracial wig reviewer, so I really want to make sure that I'm inclusive to as many people as possible. So today we're going to meet some of my models face to face. We have all of these beauties here, but I'm going to pull some models, let you know what their names are, and then you can get to know which models that you think maybe are a little bit closer to your look, your skin tone, things like that. So if you want to request seeing a wig on a particular model, you'll know who to request, because I'm going to tell you their names and you're going to meet them. Okay, this is going to be in several parts because I think we have 15 models at this point. So let's go ahead and get started. So this gorgeous girl, this is Fallon, okay? And I redid all of her makeup. You're going to see videos on the mannequin transformations, but this one here is Fallon. She is just a stunning model. This is what she looks like. She's wearing Free Trust Equals, I feel like she's wearing Flirty Deep right now. I think it's Free Trust Equals Flirty Deep she's wearing at this moment. But this is Fallon. This gorgeous girl right here, this is Shay, and she's wearing Outray's Everywhere number 5. See a wig review coming up on that. That's a collab, I'm pretty sure. I redid this model as well. You will see her in a transformation video. All the ones that I redid, I did do a video on what I did and how I transformed them. I changed her eyebrows. I actually used the eyebrow transfers that I did reviews on, that I used on myself. Gave her a little beauty mark, changed her mouth, changed her eye makeup and things like that. So this is Shay. Next up we have Holly, and she's wearing Outray's Honey wig, which I've not done a review on yet. I completely redid her, including her brows, her eye makeup, her lashes, everything. The only thing I didn't touch was her lips. This is how she came. But this is Holly. Next up we have Grace, and she is wearing Outray's Wig Pop in Kelly. And I completely redid Grace. Grace did not look like this at all. I redid her eyebrows. There's a whole video on her. I redid her eyebrows, gave her this mustard lip. She has the yellow blush, and I am just obsessed with Grace. She's definitely more of an avant-garde model for us, but I absolutely love her. And so there should be actually a video up on her evolution. I completely changed her. I stripped her completely. So this is Grace. Next up we have Colette. Colette is wearing the Magic Lace number MLI5, and I changed her a little bit. I changed her eyelashes. Her brows came this way, which is really nice because they're really nice. Changed her lashes and her lip color, and I added a little bit of additional makeup. I didn't change her too much, but this is Colette. She's got these stunning brown eyes. They're not painted on, they're actually like the doll eyes. So that's that's really nice. And then we'll end with Samaya, and she's wearing Model's Gina. And this is Samaya here. I completely changed her. I changed her brows, her eyes, her lips. She came with these like stunning sort of lavender colored eyes, so I really loved that, but I did change her look completely. She's got this just beautiful olive tone skin, and I thought she was a great addition to our model collection. So those are the models I'm sharing with you today. Until I share all of them with you, I'll just keep putting out videos. If there is a model on there that you absolutely love, let me know. Let me know if there's one that you think would help you out in deciding on which wigs, shapes, colors, whatever would help you. Once all these videos are done, if there is a skin tone or model that you think I should add, go ahead and put that down below. If you would like a particular model purchased, you can go ahead and donate to Buy Me a Coffee and then indicate that that's what you want the money to go to. And yeah, so that's what I have for you today. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.